Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Syamil Al-Habib Azman and my matrix number is F220052. Today I want to share about my experience, input and improvement in lesson English development and engagement. So from week 1 until week 18, a lot of things that I learned and input that very useful for me, especially for students that continue study in degree level. As we know, degree students always do presentation and final year project. So I learned basic things what to put in my presentation and how can I make my final year project in organized manner. Also, make the lecture like our report. For example, in making essay, we learn what is transitional signals, reference words, repetition words, ellipsis, and substitution. So basically, these things makes my sentence proper and the reader feel easy to understand my report. Next, I learn the things that I can put in my presentation slide, which is I call presentation aids. Now I know that the main target for us to make the slide is to shorten or clarify the report to make it simple but full with information. The last thing is I learned how to present to people with good. We need to wear the suitable clothing and always be prepared with what we want to talk and the question that can be asked. From all of this, I have developed my knowledge about presentation slide, report, and towards my personality in presenting to people. Then, I need to do the group project with our class members. In this project, we talk about the diversity of culture in Malaysia. As we know, so many cultures in Malaysia, and these cultures have their own uniqueness. From there, I learned about their cultures. After we divide the part of for this project, I and with another 3 people members need to learn about Chinese and Iban cultures. So this the most challenging part for me because we need to find random people from Chinese and Iban side to know further what are these people celebrating and information about their cultures. So we overcome the problem by interviewing some of our friends who have Chinese and Iban tribe. Luckily, we have these friends. And then we continue to interview them about their cultures. Alhamdulillah, a lot of things I know about their cultures. From here also, I have developed my communication skills. After all, I know that if we have many friends with different cultures, we can learn about their celebration and more. So we can see here how I interview some of the people in this Chinese and Iban.
Hi, can you introduce yourself first?
Hi, my name is Selina Dumane James and I'm a third year student of FCAP and I'm from Sarikei, Sarawak.
And what is your tribe?
My tribe is Iban.
So, Selina, can you tell us what is the festival celebrated by Iban?
So the festival that celebrated by Iban is mainly a Harvest Festival, also known as a Gawai, and it's also celebrated by the Bidayo, orang Ulu like Kayan and Kenyah, and also celebrate in the West Kalimantan.
I see. And then, Selina, can you tell us what is the clothing tribe for Iban?
Clothing for the tribe of Iban is ngepan induk, which is it's worn in the miring ceremony, gawai ceremony, and also in the melapinang, which is melapinang is a wedding ceremony in Iban.
So the last question for Selina is, can you tell us what is the food or popular food for in Sarawak?
So popular food is mostly popular is Sarawak laksa, and also we got the sayur midin belacan, linut, and then tomato mee, and the last one is kolok mee.
Is it kek lapis popular also?
Oh yes, kek lapis is also popular
I
and
see.
it is a good dessert.
Okay. Alright. Okay, thank you, Selina.
Okay.
So I hope have a nice day and goodbye.
You too.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Alright, thank you.
Lastly, I want to say thank you to my lecturer, Dr. Allah, for teaching me all of these useful things for my study and for my improvement in my life. I've forgotten my friends and teammates who always support me and help me to going through this subject. Hope we can see each other again soon. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum and bye. Bye bye.